Hey there, and welcome to my channel. It's Deidre from Our Upcycled Life. If you like thrifting, DIYs, and repurposing, you've come to the right place, and we'd love to have you follow along. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I have a really fun video that all you need is a glue gun, some twine from the dollar store, and a little upcycled glass bottle. I love these little barbecue style bottles that I made this one into, but you can use any size of a jar or bottle and do this technique. You don't need to know how to macrame, you just need to know how to tie a knot, and you can create a really cute little boho style plant hanger. Okay, let's get started. Okay, and this is the bottle I'm going to use. It's an actual barbecue sauce bottle that we love. It's really, really yummy. And I love the little wooden top on it. So if you don't want to put plants in it to propagate, you can just screw the little wooden top on it and it would look really sweet too. And I'm just using some dollar store twine. And the first thing you want to do is you want to tie a circle around the neck of the bottle and just loosely tie it with just 2 simple knots. And then you just want to cut the ends off, and you'll have a loose little piece of twine that you're just going to pull off the top of the bottle. The next thing you want to do is measure out a piece of twine 6 times the length of the bottle. Now I only did 4 and I came up a little bit short, so you want to make sure you do 6 lengths of the bottle, and that's the length of the rope that you want. And you want to cut it, and then you want to measure out 8 pieces that length. Now you're going to take your little circle, and this knot is called a lark's head knot. Really simple little knot. You just fold your piece of twine in half from the 8 pieces that you cut, put it through the circle, and then loop it through the back, and then pull it tight, and it's attached to your circle. And this is what it looks like. Now you're going to tie all 8 of those pieces all around that circle so they're evenly spaced. Now comes the fun part. You're going to put that circle of twine with all those 8 pieces tied onto it with the lark's head knot on top of the bottle. Now you're going to take 2 pieces of that twine and take the middle pieces from each of those and just tie a simple knot. And you're just going to work around the whole bottle. And you want to make sure when you're tying your knots that it's the same length down as the knot that's right beside it. And just kind of keep measuring and making sure that your knots all line up horizontally around the bottle. And just keep going all around the bottle. And there's the first row completely done. And now you want to create that triangle pattern. So you're going to take the 2 inside strings that will create a triangle and tie knots all around that row. And you're going to keep repeating that pattern until you get to the very bottom of the bottle. This also works great on mason jars, on wine bottles. Give it a try, whatever glass bottles you have laying around. And there you have it all finished. And I took all the twine at the bottom and tied it into a tassel. And now we're going to make the hanger for the top. And you're going to want 3 pieces of twine, about 3 times the length of the wine bottle, and I'm just going to braid it so it makes a nice fancy handle. I'm just going to tape the 3 strands to my table and braid away. Tie 2 knots at the end of it and it's ready to put on the bottle. You're going to take your hot glue gun and just evenly space the handle from one side of the bottle onto the other side. And I've cut some twine to wrap around the neck of the bottle to finish it off. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun just to securely attach it to the neck of the bottle. I'm just going to cut off the long pieces from the handle to make it look pretty. And there you have a beautiful upcycled bottle made into a plant hanger that's perfect for your boho style decor. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and grab a bottle or a jar and try out this technique. Thanks for watching and have a great day.